Hi, I'm Mark Rogers with Rogers Auto Detailing Studio. Today we're taking care of this 2025 GMC Sierra Denali, and as you can see, it rolled in with plenty of road grime. Hit the Sierra Denali, and as you can see,
we're giving this 2025 Sierra Denali a premium exterior wash. First thing, lay down a thick foam blanket. The pre-soak lifts road film and lubricates the surface so we don't grind dirt into the paint. Wheels and tires.
For letting the foam dwell, I go in with a microfiber mitt and gently hand wash each panel to pull away what the pre-soak loosens. Rinsing with filtered water reveals that metallic shine and keeps any residue off the surface. Wheels
fully foamed, we can start rinsing. Aim the fan pattern on the top and bottom, letting gravity pull the soap away so you aren't driving dirt back into the paint. Wheels and tires get their own tools. A dedicated brush and bucket keep the brake dust away.
Next up is the interior detailing process, and we'll be giving it the same level of care.
for the premium package on this 2025 Sierra Denali, we start inside with a deep vacuum to get every crumb out of the carpets and seats. Door panels are wiped and steam clean, then we treat all the leather with a rich conditioner so it stays soft.
We start with a thorough vacuum to remove every bit of loose debris. Door panels are gently brushed and wiped to release built-up dust and oils. The leather gets conditioned to keep it soft and rich. Carpet is shampooed and extracted for a fresh finish.
We start our premium interior detail with a thorough vacuum, pulling dirt from the carpets and seat seams. Every door panel is treated with a pH balance cleaner. The perforated leather then gets a rich conditioner to keep it tight.
We start by vacuuming every crease of the Sierra Denali to remove loose debris. Door panels are wiped and refreshed. Leather is conditioned to stay soft and protected. We shampoo and extract the carpets for a deep clean.
First up, I get the big stuff out of the way with a crevice tool. It lets me chase dirt all the way under the seat tracks and into the corners of the cargo floor. With the carpet refreshed, it's time for the details. Door jambs, hinges, latches, and
is our 2025 Sierra Denali finished in the premium wash package. That deep black paint is now perfectly decontaminated, polished, and sealed. You can see how the LED lines dance across the hood and grille, and the chrome is
peace within found, adventure awaits me, journey